Hi friends, this is Nageshu. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to protect personal data from copying to USB or any other external drives in Windows 7. Here, I want to connect one USB drive and I want to copy one file to that USB drive. We can successfully transfer the files to USB. Now I want to restrict copying files to the USB or any other external drives. For that, please open, run and type resedit. Here come to HKey local machine, expand this and please expand system, expand current control set, expand control, right click on control and please select new key and please rename this as storage device. Policies, and in the right panel please right click and please select new dword 32-bit value and please rename this as write protect and right click on this, select modify and please replace the value data with 1 and after this now disconnect your USB drive, again connect your USB drive. Now let's try to copy the files. And here I got the disk is write protected. We cannot copy the files to the USB. Again, to copy the files to the USB, come to registry editor and right click on write protect, modify and please change the value to 0 and after that please disconnect the USB and again reconnect your USB. Now I want to copy this file to USB. Now we can successfully copy the files to the USB. Like this we can protect personal data from copying to USB or any other external drives by the others in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.